Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I will be telling you how to hide your subscriber count so that no one will see how many subscribers you have. So there are some channels that hid their subscriber count, so y'all won't be able to see them. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do it. Okay, so first, you want to go to your channel icon, click on Creator Studio, okay? And it'll take you to your dashboard. And see, it shows up as 238 subscribers on your dashboard, okay? Next, what you want to do is scroll down, okay? Click on Channel, and then go to, once you're right here, the status and features will pop up. Once you're at your status and features, go to advanced. Okay, here, once you're at advanced, you will see this page. You will see account information, country, channel keywords, and stuff. So scroll down until you see this right here. Channel recommendations and subscriber counts. Okay, so currently I have it set to display the number of people who subscribe to my channel, or do not display the number of people who subscribe to my channel. If you don't want people to see how many subscribers you have, then click this, then click that. There we go. And now they won't see it, but I want to do this. I don't know why you won't see it, but I'm going to show you what happens when you do that one. What happens when you do that one? And then once you're done, click save. Okay, click save, and then I'm going to go to my channel dashboard. Okay, view channel. Let's see. I don't know if it'll work for me. No, it doesn't work for me. I can still see it, but y'all subscribers won't be able to see my subscriber count. So I'm just going to unhide it. Let me click the back arrow. Okay, I'm just going to unhide my subscriber count. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to do that one, and I'm going to click save. Okay, so that is how you can disable your subscriber counts. Okay, so like, comment,